In this video, I'm going to share the second tip which will help you make your child more adaptable. The second tip is to make sure that you're modeling the right kind of behavior. When you as a parent or as a family, if all of you are dealing with something different or some change, make sure you are modeling the behavior you would want your child to do when they are experiencing any change. We all know that children look up to us for their role models. So make sure you are calm during change because that is what they're going to see and learn from it. So make sure that you're using some creative solutions for your problems so that they are flexible in their thinking, so that they understand how to solve problem in creative manners, because we need to let them understand that one solution will not work to each problem. We need to be creative with our thinking so that we can experience and deal with change in a healthy manner. In the next part of this video, I'm going to share the third and the last tip which will help you make your child more adaptable. Thank you so much for watching this.